Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the TypedArray.slice method. So what it does is it gonna returns you a solo copy of a function of a typed array. It's same as the array slice method. So what it does is slice the into. So now what we're gonna do is, let me show you how it does is, first we need to create a typed array. So uint 8. After that, what we're gonna do is new uint 8 array. And now what just happened? Now what we're gonna do is, inside that we will pass an array 10 comma 20, the usual method to create an array. So I'm gonna do up to the I'm gonna use 5 element up to the 4th elements. That's why. And now what I'm gonna do is create a normal array. So uint 8 dot slice. And now what it does, we need to pass the first position from where it want to slice. So if I do that, if I did that, it's gonna take from here, and it's will be 1 from here, it's here, and up to where the second argument will be where. If you don't pass any element, it's gonna give you except for this, everyone. So there's uncaught error. What I did now? Oh yeah, it's big Q. So from 20, if we pass the second argument to where, it's gonna give you up to there. So up to the 3rd place, so 20 and 30. And now if we use directly and use the function and pass uint 8, it's gonna give you that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.